What I have here is a tire inflator from, I think the company is called GOOLOO, and this is the AP150 Pro model. 150 Pro, 150s probably means the amount of PSI this baby will push out, and you can kind of see over there, capacity is 27 watt hours, 150 PSI. See, I was right, 4 to 150 PSI of inflation on that, which is a pretty good sized tire if you think about it. And I'm just going to do a quick little unboxing and show you everything you get with it here. We do have a little bit of wind out here, so hopefully that's not messing with the audio too much. Get out of there. We got some instructions down in here. So it's pretty simple. You can see it goes up to 150 psi. You basically screw it on, connect the nozzle, push the on button, and then let it go. You get a nice little bag with it where you can put the nozzle and all of the attachments, which looks to be a Presto valve, a Schrader valve to a Presto valve, and that's for like an inner tube float and a basketball needle and a USB-C charging cable. You know what, I always like it when there's a USB-C, which is pretty wide range. Reference cars usually, so there are preset on there, and it's got 36 PSI on a car, 35 on a motorcycle, 60 on a bike, and there's a custom and a ball. How about that? And you can adjust it to different types. So let's just go ahead and take it out right here. Oh, I like that. This is nice looking. GOOLOO. Wow, look how shiny that is. That little, what a shiny finish. A very nice premium looking item there. And okay, so this is a USB-C, USB-A out. So you basically have like a power bank if you want to charge like a cell phone or something. And that's where you charge the USB-C cable will go in. So this cable can be used to charge something or charge the device. Well, very handy on that. Oh, they do include a little light on there. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Holding it down. Oh, it has a audible sound. This is the first one with an audible sound. I like that. So right away, it's set on car. You see the little car symbol up there. It's not flashing. It's just a shutter in the camera there. You see, and we're at 36 PSI, full battery. And to change this, we'll hit that. Oh, that's to turn it on. To change it, see there, it went to motorcycle. Oh, they have color coded. Look at that. Bicycle, we're at 60. Usually that's for those road style bikes. Basketball's 8, and a custom, and then a custom, look how I can go up, down. We'll put it on, let's go 30, we'll go 40. Let's custom 40. Now this right here is usually the little light. We'll hold that down. Yep, there it is. And you see how bright that little thing is? That will help finding your kind of stem when you're looking for it, if you're on the side of the road, or you could use it as like a little flashing while you're airing your tires, say if you're somewhere and you need to use that. Very handy on that. I think you got to hold it down for a few seconds, bam, goes off. Let me go ahead, screw this thing in. By the way, this gets very hot, everybody, so let it cool off a little bit after you use it. And you don't want to do like 4 or 5 tires in a row. I'm just gonna, I've got my van over here has a low tire on it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and air it up and then show you guys how well this thing works. So let's go ahead, take it over to the van and set it up. Okay, everybody, I'm over here at my van. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on the custom. So to add this, you just put that on there, and you see how it locks into place. And you see right there, I have 30 PSI inside this tire. I'm just gonna set it down. It is long enough to, actually, it's got a cable long enough. These are size 16 tires. Obviously, if it's a bigger tire, you might wanna roll it forward a little bit, or it can kinda hang there. And to start this thing, so we're at 30, we'll go ahead, one button start. We'll see how quickly it goes. We'll see if we can just stay here. I'm trying to keep the sun off of it so we can see it. Wow, it's already got 2 PSI that fast. So we're at 33, we started at 30. Let's let this sit here for a minute, and then I'm gonna think it's gonna take about 3 to 4 minutes to inflate this all the way to 40. So these tires go up to 44, by the way. So let's just set it right here and let it go. Okay, we're at 39. We'll see it do the auto shut off. There it is, and it turns green. Very nice. I am very impressed with this. It's color coded, so it lets you know when you're fully inflated. So it went from red to green. We are fully inflated, and then to take it off, You just pull it off like that. And then you'll unscrew this. Now see, I feel that it is a little warm up there. So you want to let it cool down a minute before you unscrew it there. But this thing looks very premium. I think this is a great option for anyone that just needs to have a tire inflator on them at all times. I highly recommend having one of these with you, because if you have a flat tire, a lot of times I'll have some Fix-A-Flat with me, and I'll have a set of these, and I could drop some Fix-A-Flat in the tire and put some air in it, and I'm good to go. I don't even got to put a spare on, especially if it's a small little leak. If it's just got like a little pinhole leak in it, Fix-A-Flat works great with that. And then if I need to, I have a backup power bank to charge my phone. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the GOOLOO, you know, tire inflator, 150 PSI tire inflator. See y'all in the next video.